we've got a little bit of bacon to go in here. We're making a rosti, well, we hope so. We'll just give that a mix up. It's a little bit wet, but we'll see how we go. For breakfast today we've got this sausage. This is actually a South African one, can't pronounce it. Boerewors, something like this, one of my favourites. We have as well some black pudding, and we'll take off that plastic there. We've got some haggis. Now my worry of course is these breaking up, the black pudding or the haggis or both, but well, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. We've got some mushroom. Everything's round, I don't know if you can notice that. And we've got some eggs, and we're going to make this rosti up. There's a slight sizzle. As I say, I've got a very small area here. I'm not very confident about those rostis, to be honest. Right, it's going okay. Not like the best, but we'll try the eggs. I've not got much space there actually. I think I'll be lucky to get those eggs off whole. In a minute. To get it off there. Essential for any breakfast is some tomato sauce. That's the Polish one, it's really nice. So, cooked, very nice. Move away from that smoke a little bit. So this is the rosti. Yeah, it breaks up easy enough. Oh. Tasty. That is really tasty, that rosti. I know they're not perfect, but that's nice, really nice. perhaps a bit of sausage, tiny bit of mushroom. Whoop. Bit of rosti sauce, egg. Can't beat that.